Hey guys, we're gonna talk today about this Wyze plug. Well, this is not brand new, but it's brand new to me, at least. And we're gonna take a look how it works, and we're gonna put it to test in real life situation, not just, it works and that's it. Well, let's see how good it works, not just how it works. And yes, this is the packaging that I tried to butcher. It comes in 2 packs. It has apps for Apple and Android, and pretty much that's it. Remote access, vacation mode, easy setup, set timers, schedules, and all that good stuff. And before I open it, let me read some information that is very much needed. It's right here. That's input 120 volts 60 hertz, which is North America in my knowledge. Output 120 volts 15 amps max, which you can put from a refrigerator to a fan, and even one of those small window AC units, if you know what I'm talking about, that don't exceed 15 amps, you can still put it on this one. And I don't suggest putting high power devices on any kind of extension, but according to their claim 15 amp, it should be just fine to go. And now let's open the pack itself, and it has a lot of stuff, looks like, inside. And yes, this is the worst unboxing you probably ever seen. And yes, this is my channel. Okay, there's 2 packs. They're really good looking, actually. Let me put the box on the side now. And yes, they still have the wrapping plastic stuff, which covers them here. And let's see if we can take that out, which looks packaged really well, in my opinion. Okay, we put it on the side, and this is Wyze plug. I'm not gonna open both because I'm gonna use this for something else anyway. And silica gel here, don't need it. Now, first, I have this extension cord that's paint, so I can do nothing about it. And I'm gonna use one of the oldest lights that I own to try if Wyze can control this one. And yes, these are old bulbs. Let me plug it in to test that it works. As you see, yes, they work. Now let me unplug it. Let me plug this one right here on the socket. I see some light, as you see right there, a blue light. There's a button here on the side, and as I understand, this is a manual turn on and off button for your devices. And now let's try to pair it with the app. It's blinking, as you see right there. Device, powers and lighting, Wyze plug, and let's see what it does now. I probably need to let my sensors be open, and my location is open, and my Bluetooth needs to be open too. Okay, so now let me click next. Okay, while using the app, allow now. And I don't know if I got it before 2021. If I'm not wrong, I did not. Now let me connect my Wi-Fi real quick. And Wi-Fi is connected. It says pairing with a plug now, so let's see if it really pairs with a plug. And the plug is blinking, doing its beep 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 beep. Okay, let's see what it does now. Okay, now it says my update went great. I'm gonna hit done, and right now it's on. And the light is on. I turned off. It turned off, and I heard a click. Let me turn it on and put it by my microphone. Maybe you can hear it. That noise you heard was actually this switch here. Okay, let me turn it off manually here with a button to test if manually works. And let me bring the oldest lights that I own. These lights right here. Let me click it manually. Yes, it works. And now let me put it in the side and see if I can turn them off and on. And yeah, let me turn off my Wi-Fi. Okay, so let's say I'm somewhere far away from home and I want to turn these lights on or off. And yes, it works actually really good. I can set a timer for how many hours, what hour, what time, and all that. Or I can put the timer on, for example, in how many hours you want it on or off. 7-day average, that's the usage here. Or you can do vacation mode, which in my understanding, it does automatic random on and off to give the appearance that you are home. And that's actually, in my opinion, a really good feature. I would say that is a good feature. And yes, this device alone will take about 0.3 watts, which is nothing. You won't even be able to see it on your electric bill by itself. And pretty much looks like this is very straightforward, even better than I actually thought. And here are the schedules that I was thinking about. You can turn it on, and let's say on Monday, or let me put it like turn on at, let's say, sunrise, and sunrise is automatic here. Or you can do it for sunset, or you can do a custom time to turn on by itself. Usually I would say to turn it on at sunrise. You click save and turn it off, and here we are at the schedules, and you go here, turn it on at sunset. That means in the afternoon it turns on by itself, and turn off at sunrise, which is around 6 a.m. and click save. And I would leave it, for example, for all days right now. Go back, and now it's set up, and if you had a lamp or whatnot plugged in, these lights, for example, would turn on and off at the schedule that you put here. And as I mentioned previously, this is a 15 amp device. These are 15 amps, so you can put a refrigerator, you could put quite sizable devices actually for this kind of method of work it does, especially because we're talking about a wireless device that's connected to your Wi-Fi. It only works in the 2.4 gigahertz networks, so it doesn't work on 5 gigahertz. And pretty much there's nothing else to actually talk about except for that. And yes, it still works, and it's still relevant in 2023. And these, in my opinion, are really, really good devices. Especially, for example, you have a small portable AC or a window AC, but the small ones, always we're talking about small ones. You can plug it in, and if you're not home, but let's say you have pets at home, you install other cameras, let's say, inside to watch your pets. Like, unironically, the other Wyze camera that you can put indoors somewhere. And when it's daytime, let's say you're in vacations, and you want to turn the AC on for your pets. Well, you just go here, you click on, and boom, whatever you had connected here turns on, and you could enjoy your vacations. You don't need to bother yourself thinking about that. And with that said, we'll see you next time, and thank you for watching this video. And I am gonna bother saying it again for you guys. We have memberships on this channel, and if you want to join, I'm very honored and humbled and very thankful. Bye!